changing the screensaver. The screensaver is an image which pops up on the computer screen whenever a computer is left idle for a certain period of time. So by pressing any key or moving the mouse, you can again go back to the normal screen. These steps you have to follow to change the screensaver. What you have to do, you have to right click on the blank area of the desktop, then you have to click on the personalize option, then from settings window, the lock screen option from the left pane you have to select, and you have to scroll down the vertical scroll bar. See screensaver settings, you can see, no, it is shown in the figure. So the screensaver settings dialog box will appear in front of you. Then you can select it, and after selecting you can just press OK. After, see, before pressing OK, no, you just preview, so it is easy for you. Now then what you will do in screensaver settings, set the time in wait box as much time you need, then you press OK. Then see what are live tiles. See live tiles in Windows 10, you can see which is the most popular apps we are using nowadays. So here what you see, no, that we are pinning tiles to start. Like first you have to click on start button, then you have to right click on the app that you want to add to your start menu, then you can pin to start. Then the selected app which you have selected is going to be displayed on the right pane. See, calendar, maps, weather, everything, it is pinned, so everything you can just see. It is easy for you. You can also rearrange, resize and move these tiles according to your requirement. See, you can make them small, medium and wide and large also. So according to your wish, according to your need, you can change them. So here see, down 3 figures are made. First one is of calendar, second one is of map, third one is of weather. Then moving the and grouping. So for moving and grouping, know what you have to do. See, first you have to drag a tile to the bottom of the right pane in the start menu. Then one transparent horizontal bar will open in front of you, and it will have a heading name group on the left side and 2 small horizontal lines on its right side. Then you have to click on name group and add a name. Now you can add any relevant tiles in this group. Then to move a whole group of tiles, just drag the 2 small lines to the desired position. If you want shutting down a computer, what you can do, simply if your system turns off, when you switch off, see here it is made, no, click. First you have to click on start button, then on power button, and then on shutdown button. Then power modes are also there in Windows 10. Then in power modes, no, we use like sleep and hibernate. Sleep, if we put on sleep, no, then our energy is going to save, power is going to be saved. That is why we used sleep. In hibernate mode, it saves all the document and running application on the hard disk, and then it shuts down the computer. So hibernate use less power than sleep mode. So next you study. So in safe mode and normal mode, what happens, suppose sometimes it happens that you come across problems that stops Windows from operating normally, and a screen appears instructing you to run Windows in safe mode. This often happens when the computer is switched off without proper shutdown procedure. That's why we shut out it in a very proper way. Then safe mode, know what happens, anything like then the difference between 2 modes are given. See, normal mode, no, it is the default operation mode of Windows, and safe mode is diagnostic mode for troubleshooting issues in a computer system. Then safe mode window loads with a limited set of files, and in normal it is loaded during startup for proper functioning. In normal, windows appear in high resolution with all colors. In safe, window appear with limited color and in lower resolution. In normal, no label is displayed compared to safe mode. So this was the difference in safe mode.